Hello, how you doing? Welcome back to How to Cook Great. On the menu today, we're going to make this sausage and mushroom pasta. I've got tomatoes in there, cheese, garlic, onions. Bit of a kind of budget-friendly one, this. Feed the family. That's going to feed 4 people, I would say. And it's really, really tasty. Let's get on with it. Okay, so mushrooms, sausage, tomato, roughly equal amounts. So we've got 250 grams of mushrooms. I've got 6 sausages now. You can use any sausage that you want. I'm using a pork and herb sausage. You can use a beef, a vegetarian, a chicken, up to you what you want to use. And then that's 1 can of tomatoes. When I say 1 can, I mean 400 ml, a regular size looking can. 1 teaspoon salt and pepper, 1 cup of cheese. Now I've got a really strong, mature, sharp cheddar there. You could use Parmesan cheese. If you could put something else in, maybe some, it's up to you, mozzarella, maybe up to you. Tablespoon of garlic, 1 cup of onion, and I'm going with a teaspoon each of thyme and chili powder today. You can adjust that, of course, to whatever you want. Okay, so you're gonna need a pot, wok type thing that I've got, or a skillet or something. In there I've got some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil, about 3 tablespoons. We're gonna drop in the onion, which I've sliced. I mean, you can cut it nice and small if you want. We're gonna add the garlic. I've just put the heat on, so the heat's on above medium. We're going to add salt and pepper. And for about 4 minutes, we're going to fry this around. Now, I just want to show you the sausages again. I cooked my sausages, obviously, so I've fried them up, and then I've just cut them up into slices. Also, while we're here, pasta. This is the pasta that I'm using today, farfalle. I've got about 5 cups there. You can choose any pasta that you want. Let's get this moving. So just a few minutes to get those onions and the garlic happening. Next up, we're going to drop in the mushrooms. Fresh white mushrooms. And again, I've sliced these up, as you can see. Chop them small if you want. Again, about another 3 or 4 minutes on this above medium heat, stirring often. Beautiful. Okay, next up we're going to drop in the sausage of choice. Like I said, I'm using these pork and herb. To that I'm going to add my chili powder and thyme. Like I said, if you want, stick something else in there. Basil, oregano, tarragon, sage. Take it into the direction that you like. And again, another 3 or 4 minutes, stirring fairly often. Fantastic stuff. Now we're going to add that 1 can of tomatoes. This was a whole plum tomato. I just crushed it roughly with my hand. 400 ml size can. Now we're going to go for 5 to 6 minutes, stirring often again. We're nearly done. Really simple and beautiful this is. Fabulous. Okay, now the last stage. I'm now going to add in 1 cup of cheese. Like I say, I'm using a strong cheddar. You could use something completely different if you wanted to. And then the pasta of choice, I'm going with farfalle, 5 cups of that. We're going to go for about 4 minutes now, just to get the sauce onto the pasta. Mix it around. We've done it. Really simple, really delicious. Nice and easy. Pop that in the middle of the table. Let everyone tuck in. That'll feed about 4 people, I would think. Absolutely beautiful. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now, if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you.